Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, September 25th. Time is around 7 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. So my take on the Dow Jones is that we are doing a wave 2 correction here. We made a wave 1 here, and I believe now we are heading into this area. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I focus on this part here. And so, as you can see, I have two scenarios here on my charts. On my chart, the scenario in green is that we did a triangle here that we broke to the downside. So then our wave A, we have here our wave A. Then the wave B is here, and then our target area becomes this area here. If we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension is the area where we should go, and this wave C area nicely coincides with the wave 2 area. Then there's also a possibility that our wave B high was in here, and then the target area becomes the area in red, which we can find by taking the length of our wave A, the length of the wave B, and then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension becomes our target. Now, I do not really like this scenario in red, therefore I made it my secondary scenario. And the reason is that if this is our wave B high, it means we should start a wave, or this is the wave C, which is ongoing. And I simply do not like the internals of this wave C. So it would mean that this is our wave 1 here to the downside. But the wave 1 is an impulsive wave, so should have 5 waves, should end with divergence. This is not the case here. We do not end with divergence, and this also looks more like 3 waves, like 1, 2, 3. Then, okay, this can be a wave 2 corrective structure, indeed. We also do not end with divergence. So, okay, this could be a wave 2, but then, then we should now have our wave 3 to the downside. And then of our wave 3, this should be the wave 1. And here again, so the wave 1 should be an impulse, but for me, this does not really look like an impulse. This is more, again, 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. We do not end with divergence. And then, then this here, okay, this can be wave 2, indeed, corrective structure, 1, 2, 3. But then here, the wave 3 of 3, okay, this could be indeed an impulse. In my primary scenario, I also count this as an impulse. Here, this has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end with divergence. So, because of this and this structure, I do not like the wave, or I don't like to start counting a wave C from here. I prefer to do it from here, and that would mean that after our wave A here, we had a triangle like this: A, B, C, D, E. We broke down, and so therefore I see this as the start of our wave C. With the data we have now, this would be my primary scenario. And so if the wave C has started here, we first need an impulse down, and this here could actually be an impulse. We have our 5 waves, we have divergence. So from that perspective, this looks good. Like if we go to the 15 minute, I would come up like with this count here: wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think the low might be in. Can we have one more marginal new low? yeah, that's possible. I cannot exclude this, but I think the key is this structure here is close to finishing, or is even finished here. The low can be in here, and if this is the case, then I would expect first a move up. So if the wave one was in here, then I would say that we might be heading here to this area, the wave two area. So the area that we can find by taking the length of our wave one, and then the area here between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. This area becomes our target. So yeah, this would actually be my main forecast for the Dow now. So wave A down, wave B finished here. We took out so the wave A low, which means that the correction can be over. We have our three waves, 1, 2, 3. But yeah, the structure does simply not look complete. So yeah, I would not expect like a rally in the higher degree from here. So a wave two, which is finished here, for instance, because yeah, this simply does not looks completed. It looks like we need a bit more downside to have complete structure. Um, more concretely, this complete structure, yeah, should look like a wave C. And for now, we do not have enough to label this here as a wave C. Be it in the scenario as in the green scenario where we start counting the wave C from here, or be it in the scenario where we start counting from here. Even then, if we count this as a wave one, which I do not like, if we also count this as an impulse, which we do not like, then it would still mean that we have a wave one, a wave two, a wave three, and then still the four and the five is missing. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.